Welcome to this tutorial on using Microsoft PowerPoint. Before we dive into the details, let's start by thinking about what you want to create. Are you making a presentation? Designing a poster? Perhaps you want to produce a video at the end? Or maybe you simply want to use PowerPoint's image and shape tools to create something unique. PowerPoint is versatile and can be used for all these purposes and more. Today we'll start with a blank PowerPoint file. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to create, let's explore how to organize and manage your slides. On the left side of the PowerPoint window, you'll see the slide gallery pane. Here, you can view and reorder your slides. Simply click and drag slides to rearrange them in the order you prefer. Before we start adding new slides, however, it's important to set your slide size appropriately, especially if you're creating something other than a standard presentation, like a poster. To do this, go to the Design tab and click on Slide Size. You can choose between standard and widescreen sizes, or customize the dimensions to suit your specific needs, including both portrait and landscape orientation. Now, let's move on to creating new slides. On the Home tab, you'll find the option to create new slides. Click on New Slide, and you'll see a variety of layouts to choose from. Each layout is designed for different types of content, such as titles, text, images, and charts. Select the layout that best fits your content. As you add new slides, you can use the placeholders provided to quickly insert content like text, images, and charts. These placeholders make it easy to structure your slides and ensure a consistent look throughout your presentation. In upcoming videos, we'll cover how to add and format content in detail. We'll look at inserting images, charts, and other media, as well as how to use PowerPoint's formatting tools to enhance your slides. But for now, let's focus on the Theme section under the Design tab. Themes are a quick way to give your presentation a professional look. Click on the Design tab, and you'll see a variety of themes to choose from. Each theme includes a set of coordinated colors, fonts, and effects. Select a theme that matches the style and tone of your presentation. You can further customize the theme by changing the background styles and color variations. Many of the designs can be modified in these sections with new colors, fonts, and even hiding the background graphics to become unrecognizable from the original design theme. So picking something close to where you want to end up can save a little time. That's it for this introduction to creating a PowerPoint presentation. We've covered the initial steps of planning your content, organizing your slides, setting the slide size, and choosing a theme. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we'll delve deeper into adding and formatting content to make your presentation stand out.